Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day, and I'm with Andrea LaFontaine. And Andrea is really kicking it out here in South Jersey. She's all over the place. She's based in Winslow, Berlin, but real estate takes you everywhere. And today she's in Fortescue, New Jersey. And where are we in Fortescue? What's the address here?
We're at 115, 117 Delaware Ave in Fortescue. It's actually a double lot.
Wow, and you probably can't hear it, but you'll see it on the video, and you might be able to see it in the wide angle here, but that's the Delaware Bay over there. So you are about 75 feet from the Delaware Bay.
You are.
You have a little public beach right in front, and if you wanted to be by the seashore, this might be the perfect spot for you. You want to tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. So this home is just over 2,600 square foot. There are 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. It does need a little TLC. The owner had started to do some upgrading and just couldn't do anymore. So the supplies or the materials are here for you to do that. There are new windows, new flooring. There's actually a new roof and hurricane grade siding that's been put up. So you're prepared for peace of mind throughout all of the seasons here in South Jersey.
And I'm just looking out the windows here in the front. I see nothing but bay. And the Delaware Bay is right here. If you're a fisherman, this could be the perfect spot for you.
This is a fisherman's dream house. And if you know anything about Fortescue, New Jersey, you know that they are the weak fish capital of the world. We are here at 115, 117 Delaware Ave. This 2,600 square foot home is ready for your finishing touches. So as you can see when we walk around that there are finishing touches that need to be made, but there's so much potential here to be such a beautiful dream home. And if you like to fish, this is a place to be. 75 feet from the Delaware Bay. So as you can see, half of the flooring has been done. This would be a beautiful dining area and kitchen. This leads us into another full bathroom and a back deck area. Currently, there is public water and public sewers on the way. Now let's take a walk upstairs to the 4 bedrooms. Pick your perfect spot, but this one could be your primary bedroom. It's very spacious. You could fit a queen or even a king in here. We have 3 smaller rooms that are great if you have guests or a big family. As you can see, this room needs a little bit more work. And this is one of my favorites. The loft area up here is a great place to store all of your summer cushions and outdoor furniture.
If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you love the video, subscribe. And if you know anybody that's a fisherman and would love to live on the Delaware Bay, share it with them. To wrap this one up, it's got 4 beds, Andrea?
Yes.
2 baths?
2 full bathrooms.
Okay, and it's gonna need some work to bring it up to, complete standard, but a lot of the work has already been done here, and you're right adjacent, within walking distance to Higbee Marina.
Yep.
And as Andrea said earlier, it's the weak fish capital of the world. So there's a beautiful marina right within walking distance. You can see that there's boats galore down here, and anybody that's a fisherman, this could be the perfect spot for you. Is there anything that you wanted to conclude with?
No, give me a call if you'd like your own personal tour.
What's your phone number, Andrea?
609-280-3429.
And as always, Joe Wiessner and Andrea LaFontaine, we want to see you at the settlement table.